we're going on vacation. Let's pack our bags.
Mommy, is that our airplane? Wow!
Flight attendants, get ready for takeoff.
This is the best day ever! This is such a funny video. I love this channel. What a silly kid.
Girls, where are you? I have great news.
What's going on, Mommy? Why are you yelling? I was watching some YouTube videos on my iPad.
Well, we're going on vacation. Daddy's gonna meet us there, and we're gonna fly on an airplane.
An airplane? I have never in my entire little life flown on an airplane.
It's gonna be so much fun. And now, all we need to do is pack our bags. We don't need too many things. We'll only be gone for a couple of days.
I am a little nervous, but mostly excited. Super excited.
Oh, I think somebody woke up from the excitement. Look, I already started packing my bags.
Okay, Mommy, I think we need to pack my little pink pajamas.
We should probably bring bathing suits. There will be a pool there.
A pool! Yay! Yeah, I love swimming! How about a pretty dress in case we go out to dinner or something? Yay! Those are my favorite sunglasses! And we can't forget my sister's sunglasses too. Can I please bring my puppy magazine and my teddy bear?
Yes, of course. You can play with them on the plane.
How about my little special pillow?
Yes, you can.
How about my school activity books?
Well, we're only going to be gone for a couple days, and we don't have that much room in our suitcase.
But I really want to do my work when I'm on vacation because I want to be smart like teacher's pet.
Okay, just those 2 books, and that's it. We don't have any more room in our suitcase.
Okay, it's okay, Mommy, it'll fit.
Wow, this is a lot of stuff just for a couple days. Oh no.
How about my crown? Please?
That's not really necessary, is it?
But it is. I love to pretend I'm a pretty princess while I'm on vacation, please.
Okay, that's the last thing we're gonna pack for you, okay?
Mommy, how about my fidget spinner? Look, I can balance it on my forehead. It's so cool, and I can play with it on the airplane. Please? Please?
Okay, but no more. We're not gonna have any room for your sister's stuff.
It's okay, look! Look how much she likes it when I play with the fidget spinner. She's laughing.
It won't close.
You can do it, Mommy, you can do it.
Good. Now we'll have to pack your sister's stuff in a different suitcase. Okay, so I have our passports, and we're gonna need a lot of diapers for your sister. So here's 1 box of diapers, and we'll need even more diapers for this trip. We need baby wipes, baby oil, bottles, some baby food, some little Q-tips for babies, some formula for the baby bottles, some baby crackers, and of course, her rice cereal.
Whoa, Mommy, that's a lot of stuff for a little baby. We're gonna need more suitcases.
I think you're right.
Well, I am super duper excited to go on this vacation with you, Mommy, and Daddy, and my little sister. And I can't wait to go on an airplane. Whoa, Mommy, is that our airplane? Wow, look at those airplanes in the sky, little sister. This is so exciting. There's a pilot and a flight attendant.
I'll be clear for departure.
Oh, I hope it's gonna be a good flight.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ken. Welcome aboard. I will be your flight attendant. May I help you with your suitcases?
Yes, please, they're right here.
Okay. Please take a seat and let us know if there's anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable.
Oh, thank you very much.
These are our suitcases, Mr. Ken, but be careful, they're heavy.
Thanks. I'll take them. Whoa, they are heavy. What do they pack? Rocks?
Wow, this is so cool.
Hello and welcome aboard. I am your pilot, Barbie. I hope you guys have a pleasant flight. Once you're settled in, we can get ready for takeoff.
Hi, wow, I met a real-life pilot. Hi, Barbie. Cool.
Okay, sweetheart, let's go take our seats.
Yes, Mommy.
Me and your sister will sit together and you get your very own seat.
Wow, it's because I'm a really big girl. Wow, these are really comfy. I can even lay back.
Excuse me, miss. Can you please put your seat back up?
What?
Put your seat back up, sweetheart.
Oh, sorry.
All right, folks, we've been cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, get ready for takeoff.
Oh, Mommy, I'm a little nervous. Oh,
It's okay. Hold my hand.
okay, but why is the airplane shaking like this?
Look, in a few minutes we'll be up in the air.
Wow!
Look out the window, sweetheart.
That's so cool. I can see the clouds. Okay, that wasn't so bad.
We're gonna have quite a long flight, so get comfortable, maybe watch something on your iPad.
At this time, you may use your electronics.
Thank you.
We'll be coming soon with some food and refreshments.
Aw, baby got so hungry.
Thankfully, there's Wi-Fi on the plane.
May I offer you guys something to eat, something to drink, coffee?
I'll take a coffee, and I'll also have your burger dish.
How about for you, little princess?
Yes. I will have the pizza, the ice cream sundae with strawberry topping. I'll also have a chocolate cupcake, and I will take the soda to drink. Thank you for asking.
Sweetie, that's a lot of food. I don't want you getting sick.
No, it's fine. I'm just really, really hungry.
Okay, here's everything they ordered. Ice cream, cupcake, coffee. Here you go. Here's a tray for you, Missy. Your pizza, ice cream, your cupcake.
Thank you very much. I also asked for a soda, please.
Oh yes, of course.
Thank you.
And here's your food, ma'am. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
What am I gonna eat first? Probably the pizza. So tasty. This is the best experience ever. I love traveling on airplanes.
Oh, look, sweetheart. It's already nighttime. It's time to go to sleep. We have quite a long flight. We'll get there in the morning.
Okay, Mommy.
Here, put on your eye mask so the light from the airplane won't bother you.
Hello, everyone. Do you guys want to see where our vacation is gonna be? Well, leave a like and we'll show you exactly what we do on vacation. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But now I need to get some rest.